I'm just gonna start chunking down. It's giving some type of like a weird signal. Nope, nothing. $700 and nothing. Milwaukee. What's going on here? It had had 2-3 bars left. Yeah. And then it's like flashing through all the battery lights, like do 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 do. Yeah. Like a malfunction. We'll give that a quick Google. Too hot or too cold? So the battery's too hot. In conclusion, the M18 Top Handle saw cannot take big wood without overheating. Good for small wood. Definitely not anything this size. That's definitely pushing the limit, but I definitely expected some more out of it than that.